Hello everyone, in this video we are going to start with the chapter Profit, Loss and Discount. Profit, loss and discount, these words are used when there is buying and selling of some goods or articles. So whenever you buy and sell some goods, you say कि कितना profit हुआ या इतना loss हो गया या मुझे इतना discount मिला. Okay? So we are going to study this in detail in this chapter. Now important terms related to this chapter which we'll be learning first, and then we'll be starting with the numericals of the chapter. So coming to the first term, cost price. The price at which an article is purchased is called its cost price. Whenever I'm buying some article or some good, तो उसका जो price रहता है that is called its cost price. Let's say कि I bought a chair, say for rupees 500. So this is the cost price of the chair. Selling price, that is SP. The price at which an article is sold is called its selling price. Let's say कि जो chair मैंने 500 में लिया है, I'm selling it for say rupees 700. Okay? So this is going to be the selling price of the chair. Profit or gain. If SP is greater than CP, the seller is said to have made a profit or gain. Now, जो chair है यहाँ पे उसका cost price है 500 and selling price है 700. So selling price जो है that is more than the cost price over here. So obviously I am making a profit over here, that is I am making a gain over here. So the profit or gain over here is SP minus CP, which is 700 minus 500. So the profit that I have made by selling this chair is rupees 200. Loss. If SP is less than CP, the seller is said to have incurred a loss. Now let's say कि जो chair मैंने 500 में लिया है, I'm not selling it for 700, I'm selling it for 450. So यहाँ पर selling price जो है that is less than the cost price. So when selling price is less than the cost price, I am making a loss in this case. So loss is calculated by CP minus SP. So CP है 500 and SP है 450. So the loss that I have made is of rupees 50. So 50 rupees का loss हो गया यहाँ पे. Profit percentage. The value of profit when expressed as a percent of the cost price is called profit percentage. Now, profit मुझे पता है, लेकिन मुझे जानना है कि कितने परसेंट का profit किया है मैंने. Percentage के form में I want to know. Then I calculate it over the cost price. Now, profit percentage जो है it is always calculated over CP. Alright, so profit percentage हो जाएगा profit upon CP into 100. That will give you the profit percent. So in this case where I have made profit of rupees 200, उसमें कितना percent का profit मिला मुझे? So let us calculate. So profit percentage in this case will be profit that I made, that is 200 rupees का profit I made, upon cost price that was rupees 500 into 100. 0 0 0 0 cancel हो गया. 5 20s are 100. 2 into 20 gives 40. So 40% का profit I made in this case. Now coming to loss percentage. When loss when expressed as a percentage of cost price is called loss percentage. Now loss percentage also you calculate over CP. Profit percentage and loss percentage is always calculated over CP. Please keep that in mind. So loss that I made in the second case when I sold 500 का chair for 450, the loss that I made was rupees 50. So loss was 50 rupees and cost price was 500 rupees into 100 हो जाएगा. 0 0 0 0 cancel हो गया. 5 10s are 50. So 10% का loss I made in this case. So this is the basic idea that I gave you about how to find out profit, loss and their percentage. Let us solve a couple of examples to get an idea. The first example, CP is equal to rupees 245 and SP is equal to rupees 280. Calculate profit and profit percentage. So over here CP is less than SP, that is SP जो है that is greater than CP, so it is a profit. So therefore प्रॉफिट हुआ है. नाउ प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू SP माइनस CP. SP इज 280 and CP is 245, which gives 35. So 35 rupees का प्रॉफिट इज डन. नाउ प्रॉफिट परसेंट फाइंड करना है. सो प्रॉफिट percentage is the profit made upon CP into 100. The profit that we made is rupees 35 का profit and CP is 245 into 100. These both are divisible by 5. So 5 7s are, 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are 45, 7 7s are 49. 100 upon 7, which is 14.2857 approximately. Okay, now 2857 we want to round it off. We'll round it off to 2 decimal places. So 14.29% का profit. Now coming to the second example, CP is rupees 80 and SP is rupees 76.8. Find the gain or loss as percent. It is a gain or loss we need to find out. CP is 80 and SP is 76.8. So obviously CP is greater than SP. So SP over here is less than CP. Therefore it is a loss. So loss is CP minus SP. CP जो है that is 80, SP is 76.80. So it is 3.20. Loss is 3.20 rupees. So loss percentage will be loss upon CP into 100, that is 3.20 upon 80 into 100. 0 0 cancel हो गया. 8 4s are 32, so 8 into 0.4 हो जाएगा. So 0.4 into 10 gives 4, that is 4%. So the loss made is 4%.